The project objectives were to propose a robust product at high quality, easy to install and easy to use. We have developed several new manufacturing workstations to ensure reliable assemblies. For example, the camera control guide on sub-assembly workstation and on plate assembly workstation. It monitors live the assembly process and guides the operator step by step. It's an assembly assistance to produce error-free, relaxed and safe.
We have conducted 3 years of testing to select the best components and perform iterative design improvements and validations. A total of 18 key components, pumps, hydraulic circuit, valves, sensors have been tested on lifetime test benches, and with robots on a large number of samples to simulate 7 years of use of the system under the worst conditions.